Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I'm a full-time Microstock contributor. In this series I take you along on one of my trips where I travel the world and capture as much microstock as possible. In this series I travel from Germany into France with the main goal of capturing cities and the Alps of Switzerland. This is day 8 of the trip. I arrived into Switzerland and I've seen a couple of cities already. I was into Basel, Zurich and now in Lucerne. After waking up in the hotel, which was really basic but very expensive, and this is where you can see Switzerland has kind of high prices, it was time to explore the city. Yeah, I cannot complain with this weather, right? Every day it's so good. I read about Lucerne that they call it a place where the lakes, the mountains and the city all come together. So what better place to see this at the top of a panoramic view overlooking the city. Time for a drive through the city. Let's go! Yeah. As soon as I arrived and I looked over the city, I understand what they meant. Here the mountains, the city and the lake come together. You can even see the snow on the top of the mountains in the distance. This city lays on the foot of the Swiss Alps. This is what being a Microstock contributor is all about. Going to the city, I probably would never visit it before, go to a nice viewpoint like this and just take in the beauty.
The sunrise, now was the rain, a collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry?
Not only from a distance, but also up close. It was time to go into the city. The fuel prices are actually lower than in the Netherlands. And I found out they have parking places especially reserved for women. In the city there was this castle that caught my eye, that overlooked the whole city on a mountain, so I wanted to go there. Grabbed something cool to drink because it was really hot in the city. Also from the hotel I got this free public transport ticket. I could use it all around the wide areas. Graffiti, street art. At the foot of the climb I was kind of complaining. But really, it's really hot. I have all these bags on me. It's gonna be a sweaty climb. Whoa. But maybe it's worth it. During the climb I noticed a railroad car going up. After this I would say it's time for a swim. So I think the viewpoint is coming up. Now we can take a break. It's actually too hot for this activity. Ooh, nice view. This is Hotel Gutsch. It's a hotel with an amazing view over the city of Lucerne. Illegal drone pilots get locked up in here. I wondered how much would it cost to stay a night here. Well, I looked up the price for one night then and it was like 1200 euros. Back down I used a cable car, which you can operate yourself. To cool down from all this climbing, I went for a swim in the lake down at the city center. By now it became kind of a tradition to go every day for a swim in one of those rivers or Swiss lakes. Lucerne gave me the first views on the mountainous Alps. Now it was really time to go into the Alps. I wanted Alps, well, I got Alps. It was about a 2.5 hour drive from Lucerne to the Schwarzsee, the beginning of the Alps.
Babe, why can't you see? No hope in what's left of me. I had to tell you before I fall asleep. Sitting there on the edge, babe, not knowing which way to lean. I am the wreckage in need of glue. Smash my guitar and stay in tune. Tired of the lights, they're old like me. Tripping all over you, babe. Tripping all over me. Tripping all over you, babe. Tripping all over me. Tripping all over you. Tripping all over me, yeah.
So now I'm at a really nice hotel. Hello. So this is the lobby, nobody's here. And they have a lounge here. But nobody's here, but look at this. Look at this. What a place. View on the mountains. So, and this is the hotel. So, really nice. The room, very modern. Nice floor. Everything seems very new. And beautiful view on the mountain. to the hotel there was the Schwarzsee, where I still had time before sunset to go and capture some shots.